Hello Nacho. Well, this is my video, and the first question say that if I collaborate with my partners or my team. I do it by WhatsApp, a WhatsApp group, and the breakout rooms, and also I use Instagram. So if I will need to do this again, I will do it by the same way. I think that yes, but only in the breakout room. For example, I will try to talk more and about the day, things like that. So the process. I think that the process that we use is very good. We do it good, and is use Desmos, this application, to got the parable. We got the parable, and then we use Excel to got the equation in the standard form. We got it, and we put it here, and we put the more important points. So other thing that I need to talk is the dependent and independent variable. The dependent variable is the height, and the independent variable is the distance that the ball need to travel. And the height is dependent because depend about the distance, and the distance well is the independent variable. So we got the final question, and the final question is about the if I can do this without technology. I think that yes, and I do it with the process that we see in class. First, we put the vertex and the first one point. I put it here and I put the vertex variable in the place of h and k. I do it. Then I put the points in place of y, the function, and I put the x in place of the x that is inside the parentheses. I do it, and then I clear the a. Then I put it in a standard form because I have it in this form. I do the multiplication by the same numbers. I got this. Then I multiply it by this, and I do the subtraction of these two, and I got this, and it's all.